Pyka Pelican Cargo. As far as autonomous electric airplanes go, the Pyka Pelican Cargo is at the forefront. It is a giant leap forward in environmentally conscious logistics since it is the biggest zero-emission freight jet in the world. With an impressive range of up to 200 miles and a cargo volume of 66 cubic feet, the Pelican Cargo is built to operate entirely autonomously. It can carry payloads of up to 400 pounds. Designed for last-mile air cargo transportation, this aircraft is built on Pyka's unique autonomous electric flight engine. It offers an expanded range and higher payload capacity. To facilitate loading and unloading, it has a nose-loading system that includes a movable cargo tray. The Pelican Cargo's 50-kilowatt swappable lithium-ion battery and 4 electric motors make it possible to go from one trip to another quickly. The Pelican Cargo's completely redundant propulsion system satisfies the ship's top priority of safety.